What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Filecoin. Another update. As you can see, it has just about pumped up 4% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $8.16. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. As you can see, slowly starting to drop right now, but everyone's asking when is its next pump. It's been performing very well over the last week, so is it going to keep going up? Is it going to get past the $10 mark anytime soon? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video and looking at, is it time to buy, sell, or is it just time to hold on to it, covering both buyers and a seller's point of view and looking at its short-term and long-term predictions as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 3% in the last 24 hours, which is not good. However, Filecoin has managed to stay on the green side. So again, in the last hour, it has taken quite of a drop, as you can see, 3% down. However, over the last 24 hours, it is still up 5%. Over the week, a massive 55%, with major peaks last week as well, as you can see, hitting about 75% increase. And over the month is a huge 50% increase as well. But since about the 14th of February, it's gained an insane amount of value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up once again by 56%, making it $1.2 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Filecoin. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers taking out their profits, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has been gaining a lot of attention over the last couple of days, meaning more and more people will start looking into Filecoin and potential investors as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Filecoin, which is $6.21. However, it is trading again at a slightly higher value here in green at $8.20, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses that you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, not looking too great. We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, more drops are expected, potentially dropping below the $8 mark is what I'm expecting. However, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red hours for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course, it's likely to pump up to about $8.50, $8.70 in between, and then drop back down below $8 towards the very end of the day today, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're still looking bearish. Both the blue and the orange line are still looking negative, heading towards the bearish side. So according to the graph, an overall drop in value is what is expected over the coming week or so, over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week. However, what I am expecting is an overall increase in value, and by mid next week, guys, we should be very close to the $10 mark, or even have hit the $10 mark by this time next week, so next Wednesday, Thursday time. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days, guys. Of course not. We are going to take little dips in between red days and green days, but from my predictions, the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Filecoin over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got both the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is expected over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So early to mid-April 2023, I'm expecting Filecoin to be trading above the $15 mark. And yes, I know $15 may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it approximately a good 2 months time, guys, I'm pretty sure Filecoin should be able to head over $15. However, there's a lot of factors that we need to consider when it comes to cryptocurrency, such as if there's a major crypto crash or a major bull run or a price pump, and more or less Bitcoin does drive the market in a positive and negative direction. So if I am able to predict such a thing, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as much as I can and as soon as I can for you guys. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Filecoin, guys, especially over the long term. However, over the short term, I am expecting it to take a little bit of a drop before it gains value. So make sure your risk management is on point if you are a short-term trader. But again, short-term trading is risky anyway. I don't do that. I'm stick to long-term trading when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially only because cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to go to hit the green zone, which is literally $57.85, which I'm not expecting Filecoin to hit anytime soon. Maybe towards the very end of the year we should be able to hit the resistance target of $57. However, right now we are going to be stuck in the red zone, and as long as we slowly and steadily start to gain value upwards towards hitting the green zone, we should be good to go. But for now anyway, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for potentially most of this year. But again, guys, as I mentioned earlier, anything can happen when it comes to cryptos. For example, if Filecoin goes for a major partnership or a collaboration, these things will have a potential positive impact on its value, but these things are not predicted because we don't know who they're going to collaborate with. But if I am able to get any news updates, I will of course keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Filecoin, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your end of year prediction for Filecoin is. What is the highest figure Filecoin can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around Filecoin. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.